guys, it's our third day and it's I don't know what time it is actually.
6:16.
6 oh my gosh, the exposure. Good. 6:16 and we're heading to sunrise and it's very like vibrant and pretty this morning.
So beautiful.
So I think like we threw on our suits and I think we might go for a sunrise swim.
Yoga was really fun. It was kind of intense though, like more intense than I thought it would be. Also, I swear I'm not topless. I'm just wearing a tube top. I just have to make that clear. But I'm currently at breakfast with Carissa. Woohoo! And I got some Cheerios because I need to eat quickly before our helicopter tour and some coffee. So I'm gonna start grubbing. They have sea glass bracelets. We just came back to the hotel after an amazing experience. The helicopter tour was insane. This was for sure my first doors off helicopter ride. Is it scary? No, I wouldn't say it's very scary. The pilot that we had was so good. Like, he was very experienced. I mean, he made the joke that, oh, it's his first day, but you know, I knew that was a joke because the landing was smooth. The only part that I was like, a little bit was when we were driving in the canyons, because we were so close, like the cliffs, that I was like, Oh no, I hope we do not run into a cliff. Not that I thought we would. Now we are getting ready to go to the pool. Since we are working with the hotel, we have a lot of content to shoot. So we're gonna be clocking in and doing our thing. We are also gonna get lunch, and I have been just craving those chicken tenders. And I know like it sounds stupid to go all the way to Hawaii for chicken tenders, but I swear if you tried them, you would understand. Because I feel like Chris also feels the same.
Yeah, they were so good.
They were really good. Everybody's getting chicken tendies today. We got 16 pieces this time, so it's like 5 each.
I'm excited.
Me too. And this is the plate of sauces. Ketchup, which there's gonna be more ketchup coming, so don't worry. Then we have blue cheese, we have buffalo, we have garlic aioli, and we have barbecue sauce. Yum.
So you can come sit right here. Ready, ladies? Mm-hmm. 3, 2, 1. Time for a handstand competition. Oh God, I don't even know if I can do one. I don't even know if I can. All right, let's see it. I got so
Caroline, you did better.
I started laughing immediately underwater. Winner!
Can I try it?
Careful though, because that was hard for me.
Okay.
I thought I was gonna just drop. I was like, I'm totally going on the floor.
The first drop was kind of scary.
Yeah.
Very abrupt.
Wait. Okay.
Cute.
You got it, you got it. I was so worried. I thought I was gonna have to catch her. Oh my god. My heart was racing.
That's cute.
How cute.
Yeah, the
Is your
lighting.
camera really blue or something?
I did it.
Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. And possibly then smack that till you get so smack that. Oh, smack that.
Here?
Yeah, that's cute.
And then I'll meet you. You got it? Yeah. Okay, okay. I'll go get the other one.
We're taking the top off for the Jeep. Isn't this so cool?
So cool.
Oh wait.
Are you strong enough? Woohoo! Good work, ladies.
Thanks for boosting our morale.
Yeah,
You're here
Love
to
the moral
supervise.
support.
I'm the emotional support.
I think we should do a cute photo of us all sitting here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, in the back. Yeah. That would be cute.
Alright.
I like your vision.
Tripod, set it up, do a video rolling in, and we can be like jamming. I'll play some music.
Need somebody to love.
Yeah, we were jamming on the way to the helicopter.
Don't need too much. Just somebody to love.
I think that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Slash videos. It literally looks like out of a magazine.
Yeah. It's gonna be very
I
cute.
just want to frolic in the fields.
Okay.
I'm surprised you haven't yet.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, go. I'm dead.
Might as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Get to work.
Stunning.
Take someone on the back of me driving, please. That is so pretty.
Wow.
I wish it didn't rustle. I know. It's okay.
So funny.
Dude, it's literally why I just took me. Oh wait.
Hi!
There's chickens everywhere.
Currently at the beach and we're gonna go see some turtles. Getting excited about celebrities? Nah. Getting excited about turtles though?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
They do in Hawaii, parts of Australia, and the Galapagos Islands.
Oh wow.
I mean, everyone's trying to figure out why are they doing it. I mean, one theory is, well, the predators here on Kauai are more active this time of night.
Yeah.
Well, that doesn't ring true because a lot of it stay in the water, but it could be true. And we do know that the sea turtles have kind of a sweet spot here on Kauai between about 75 and 81 degrees.
Okay.
So what happens is, warmer than 81, they're in the water because it feels cooler.
Yeah.
Cooler than 75, they start heading back into the water because it feels colder.
They're so awkward, like walking out of there. Bed rotting.
Do you ever think about how maybe turtles aren't that slow and they're just pretending? They're
Sloths
just
are
putting on a
insane slow. It's like
Sloths are scary, actually. Like they give the same energy. They're pretending to be slow.
It is crazy. I remember the first time I saw it, and then I just saw one swimming.
It's called the crack because the butt crack. Oh my gosh.
This crack is out.
That's so funny. I'm gonna show this to my dad.
Okay. I'll do Mexican rice.
What do you think about the burritos?
It was good. I was starving.
Good?
Yeah, it was good.
I haven't tried my burrito.
It's like crack.
Because it's called the crack. Anyways, so we just got dinner at the crack and I got my order so I can read it back and tell you everything that I got. I got a burrito with pork, black bean, Mexican rice, sriracha. I also got some hot sauce. I'm not really sure what kind of hot sauce this is, but I don't know what the spice level is, but I'm ready to take on the challenge, whatever it is. This is so good. Right, so I have a jar of pickles here and Chris and I are gonna split it. And we're currently getting nice and cozy by the fire. I think Chloe went to go scout out games. What do you think? I mean, would you be down to play me in foosball?
I'm not very good.
What about if it was you and Chloe versus me?
Yeah, okay, yeah. Now I have no choice.
There's no choice. We're gonna have a little matchup. It's gonna be me versus Chris and Chloe on foosball.
Happy birthday to you. You! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caroline. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yeah, thank you. It's kind of warm, the plate. Okay, thank you.
The girls just surprised me with a birthday, like a slice of cake, and I had no clue.
Oh, not with cake, and we sang to her.
They sang to me too.
They came out the photos with the candle lit.
They came out with a cake, and I was like, "Whose birthday is it?"
Wait, we were like, "It's yours."
Oh, no, Chloe, be careful. Be careful.
Oh, I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Let's see.
Go for it. It's molten lava cake with vanilla bean ice cream and chantilly, I think, like caramel sauce, cherry sauce, something like that. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
The typical. I'm not there yet. Yep. Good. As long as you like it, that's what I was hoping for.
This tastes like fudge that my mom is obsessed with.
It does kind of taste like fudge.
It tastes like fudge.
Yeah. Does anyone want to eat the leaf?
Well, I'll take it out.
Good morning. It's our last day. We're actually checking out this morning, like at 11, and it's around 6 a.m. The sunrise is developing. It looks really pretty. It'll focus. Look at that. I'm hoping that the colors develop even more. And we're going to go to the beach and take some pictures. It's pink. It looks so pretty.
Yep. You should have yesterday, dude. I was freezing.
I'm excited. I'm kind of scared for the water though. It's gonna be cold.
Hey, Chloe. How does it feel to have the whole pool to yourself?
I feel like Sharpay Evans.
You are Sharpay
I'm
Evans.
gonna bring me an iced tea and Portuguese.
And I have the whole hot tub to myself. And then Chris is over there taking some pictures by the shower because those are like the cutest showers ever. Sunrise was really pretty, and now we're just creating some content around the hotel, and then we're gonna go get breakfast before we have to check out at 11. But this feels so nice.
Oh, okay. Oh, so that's
That's mermaid.
Look at that! That's so insane!
Okay. Chloe! I need like an underwater shot. Alright, we're off to breakfast. Hey. Whoa! Those pancakes
That's so
look
cool. I've been wanting to get these since we first got here.
Dude, these
Have you tried them?
They're really popular, yeah.
Oh, they're over here.
What?
Thank you.
Is it ube?
Ube, yeah.
Does that make it like sweeter, or like what's kind of flavor is it?
Yeah, it's a little sweeter, but it's what makes it special is that it's purple, as you can tell.
Yeah, no, definitely, definitely.
And then
This literally tastes like frosting. Glazed donut frosting.
That is kind of what it tastes like.
It tastes like that too.
You want to cheers?
Cheers.
Yeah.
Alright, we're hitting up the game room before we leave, and I think the girls are gonna play me in some foosball!
We're gonna hopefully not do too bad.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna lose.
This table specifically, I think, is made for multiple players because it has 8 sticks.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So there, you guys get that advantage.
Okay, that was fully luck. Oh! I literally can't even follow the ball. It's like before I know it, it's gone.
Mine too!
She's hardcore.
She's in the zone.
Oh! That was luck as well.
Game over.
And that's a wrap. Good stuff. Good game.
I've played it before.
how annoying this was. This was my score, 19,700, and the high score is 20,000. I was 300 points away from beating the high score. Alright, you guys ready to go? Yeah.
Now we've reached the sad part of the trip where we're packing up all of our stuff and getting ready to leave. But our next stop is going to be Oahu, and that's going to be a whole other adventure.
I feel like I have so much more stuff than when I came.
I know, I feel like I was going to say...
And all I got was stickers and...
Yeah. Shots, everybody! I'm skipping the song. Oh, some Nicki Minaj.
Okay.
The beach.
This reminds me of like middle school.
We at the beach.
Okay.
We are checking out and we're a little past due. It's 11:06, but I think we're gonna be okay. There's gonna be a lei making at 11, so we're hoping the lei making. We'll be back. They're so pretty.
When you make leis, we use feathers, ribbon, flowers, leaves, vines, food, money, you name it. Leis are brought here to Hawaii by the first Polynesian voyagers who arrived in Hawaii to show peace and friendship. Then over the time, the Hawaiians came up with their own traditions, which was to use the leis to represent their rank or their royalty because there was kings and queens, chiefs. Nowadays, leis represent love, honor, friendship, greeting, and celebration. And in Hawaii, on May 1st is Lei Day. You wear a lei, you give a lei, everybody's wearing a lei. This celebration started in 1927 to celebrate the aloha spirit. Here in Hawaii, we believe not to give a pregnant woman a closed lei due to beliefs. The lei always has to be open. Purple orchid flowers. These flowers you get shipped over from Oahu. They're more sturdier than most, so they last longer. And yeah, lei making is very easy. We're gonna get our string ready. We're gonna measure around our neck, right above our pico, which is your belly button, and then you're just gonna cut it.
You're gonna make yours for Edwin? That's so sweet. Shout out to Edwin. Feel like floss.
Good job. Upside down. We're gonna poke it right through the middle, just like that.
My lei didn't fit my neck. It didn't fit past my big head, so now it's gonna be on the head, which is still nice. Oh, Chloe, yours is so cute. Good job.
That was good. Good work, girls.
Lei making is pretty.
Yeah, it is. Thank you.
I just finished.
Cute.
This is how the lei turned out, and I think it's so pretty.
Your